Hello. Welcome to my channel. Visiting gym and working out with exercise to lose body fat and weight has been nightmare to many. Today we will check out few exercises that can be done at home without using weights and lose fat. Push-ups can be a beneficial exercise for weight loss when combined with a calorie deficit and a balanced diet. Push-ups, like other forms of exercise, burn calories. While the number of calories burned per push-up is relatively small, consistently performing push-ups can contribute to a calorie deficit, which is essential for weight loss. Push-ups are a compound exercise that works multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. Building muscle mass can increase your metabolism, meaning you burn more calories at rest. Push-ups can elevate your heart rate, improving your cardiovascular health and contributing to overall fitness, which can indirectly support weight loss. Push-ups help burn calories and build muscle, both of which are important for fat loss. Additionally, they strengthen the core muscles, which can improve posture and reduce the appearance of belly bulge. Squats are a type of strength training exercise that targets the lower body, including the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. They also engage the core, helping to strengthen overall stability. Squats are excellent for improving mobility, building muscle, and boosting metabolism, making them great for weight loss and reducing belly fat when combined with a healthy diet. Squats are a full-body exercise that engages large muscle groups like the glutes, quads, hamstrings, and core. Since it targets so many muscles at once, squats burn a significant number of calories both during and after your workout. Squats help build lean muscle mass. Since muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue, incorporating squats into your fitness routine allows you to target fat loss while simultaneously building strength and toning your lower body and core. Squats challenge multiple muscle groups, requiring more energy, which boosts your metabolism. When practiced regularly, squats keep your metabolic rate elevated for hours after your workout, helping you burn more fat and support weight loss. Lunges are an effective exercise for weight loss, particularly for targeting and toning the lower body. They help build lean muscle mass, which can increase your resting metabolism and calorie burn, leading to fat loss. Lunges also engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, boosting your heart rate and contributing to overall calorie expenditure. Lunges are a powerful exercise that helps strengthen almost every muscle in your lower body. Furthermore, it can also tighten core muscles and increase your flexibility and help weight loss. Lunges is an excellent exercise for reducing thigh fat. It is not only an effective exercise for reducing thigh fat, but it is also one of the simplest. Lunges can be modified to fit different fitness levels, making them accessible to most individuals. Plank exercises can be beneficial for weight loss because they engage multiple muscle groups, boosting calorie burn and promoting muscle toning. Planks help strengthen your core, improve posture, and increase your metabolism, all of which can contribute to overall weight loss when combined with a balanced diet and other exercises. Plank is not only easy and effective to do and that you can perform anywhere. A plank or different variations of it helps target your core and reduces the fat in the stomach region. Once you've mastered the traditional plank, try the variations of plank to activate different core muscles. Incorporating different plank variations into your workout routine can add variety and challenge to your core exercises while targeting belly fat. Crunches is an exercise that helps burn belly fat by working out the muscles in the stomach area, so it can be a good way to slim down. Because belly fat sticks to the waistline and stomach region, doing abdominal exercises as part of your overall exercise routine can help combat it. They can help tone and flatten the stomach while providing you with a good source of exercise. Crunches target both upper and lower part of abdominal. And finally, the best part, your first step is to include at least 30 minutes of aerobic exercise or cardio into your daily routine. Some great cardio of aerobic exercises for weight loss are walking, especially at a quick pace, running, biking, swimming, cycling. Studies show that aerobic exercises combined with body weight exercise help reduce fat from body. Thank you for watching.